This is the Commodities and Recycling Report brought to you by Ben Lee, the industry leader in roll-off trailers and open-top scrap trailers, as well as Raleigh and Goldsmith Motor Recycling, the leaders in North Carolina, for scrap metal, cardboard, electronics, and junk cars. Due to our travel schedule, this is a special Friday Commodities Report, July 17, 2015, instead of our normal Monday report. My name is Greg Brown, President and CEO of the companies. There was little good news this week in commodities and recycling. The U.S. steel production did tick up a bit in the last week, which follows with the slow continued increase in the U.S. economy. As has been reported here, parts of the economy, such as home sales and car sales, are at 9 to 10-year highs. The oil rig count that had stabilized and was actually up for 2 weeks came down a bit last week. This follows with oil prices coming down to new multi-month lows and means less steel is being used in oil drilling rigs. As for scrap steel prices, as we all know, they came down this month, and some say they could come down again in August. With the U.S. dollar strong, scrap metal continues to come in to the U.S. from other parts of the world. It also means that major importers of scrap steel, like China, are buying more from Europe and less from the United States. Copper prices, which hit new 6+ year lows 2 weeks ago and then rose steadily a bit, came steadily down all of last week. In another bad sign for copper inventories have actually been rising and are now near multi-month highs. Bloomberg reported last week that some think copper could come down another 13% this year. There is no good news for copper. Aluminum, which also hit two weeks ago, hit new lows, stayed pretty flat all of last week. As for general news, the U.S. stock market hit new highs last week and oil hit new multi-month lows. This could help spending and help create demand, which could mean that the bottom for commodities may be close. Permits for new home building rose to the highest level in June since July of 2007, and the Home Building Sentiment Index hit a new 10-year high, both very positive signs for good things to come in the economy, but not for recycling unless China and Europe start growing at a healthy rate. Lastly, for those members of ISRI, the scrap recycling organization, that have joined the Circle of Safety, it's a great organization for those that haven't joined, and you should consider joining it very quickly. For current prices, please call us at 919-828-5426 in Raleigh and 919-731-5600 in Goldsboro. With that, we hope all have a safe and profitable week. Tune in next week for the Commodities and Recycling Report. My name is Greg Brown. Again, have a great week.